Traffic generation strategies, category number 2, SEO Backlinks. How to get backlinks for search engine optimization. To get backlinks, you need to reverse engineer the best content of your competitors. You then promote this content on the same network of websites that are linking to your competitors' best materials. Another way you can get backlinks is through guest posts. Contribute free blog posts through third-party blogs in your niche. When they publish your post, they link to your website using your target keywords or your brand name. By offering scholarships, you can actually get backlinks from some of the most powerful link sources on the internet. These are websites that have a .edu domain extension. These are usually universities and colleges or educational institutions. Generally speaking, search engines place a greater weight on links coming from these types of domains. By offering a scholarship and publicizing it to educational institutions, you can get quite a bit of high-quality .edu domains. Issuing a press release can help you get backlinks, but there's a trick to this. If you just issue a press release trying to target keywords, nothing is going to happen. Instead, when you issue a press release that actually talks about a newsworthy event or issue, you may get press mentions, and this can boost your search engine rankings. By proactively contacting bloggers and authority website administrators for link building purposes, you can get quite a bit of quality backlinks. Of course, you have to contribute content or otherwise engage in some sort of strategic partnership involving content for them to link to you. Find dead links that quality blogs and websites link to. You then inform them that they're linking to dead links and also tell them to link to pages of yours which have similar content. Pro: the big advantage of search engine traffic is that you get high-quality traffic precisely at the point in time people searching for your type of content or solution are most interested in what you have to offer. Con: SEO takes a while. If you're going to do this completely above board with absolutely no shortcuts or tricks, don't expect any results until 3 months at the earliest. You also have to invest quite a bit of time, effort, and energy into creating quality content so you get links. Scholarships and press releases cost money.